Hello, what's up guys, welcome to the new video. In this video here we have x and y are the positive integers, and this is the question: x plus xy plus y is equal to 54, and we have to find the value for x plus y, not x and y, but we have to find the value of x plus y. So here we have x plus xy plus y equal to 54. So taking x common from these, so x into 1 plus y is equal to 54, and now adding 1 on both the sides. So here we have x into 1 plus y plus 1 equal to 54 plus 1. So now we have x into 1 plus y plus 1 equal to 55. Now you can see in the question it is given that x and the y are the positive integers. So positive means something that is greater than 0. It means we can say that x is greater than or equal to 1, and in the same way y is also greater than or equal to 1. So we can write x plus 1 into y plus 1 equal to 55. Now we can see that the factors of 55 are 1 into 55, 55 into 1, 11 into 5, and 5 into 11. Let's suppose here we have x plus 1 equal to 11 and y plus 1 equal to 5. Now let's suppose this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. So we can also write x plus 1 is equal to 5 and y plus 1 equal to 11. Remember, we have to find the value of x plus y, not x and y. So from the equation 1 we have x equal to 10, because if you bring 1 on the right hand side, that will be minus 1, so 11 minus 1, that will be 10. So in this way x equal to 10, and from the y we have 1 on the right hand side, that will be 5 minus 1, so y equal to 4. So x equal to 10 and y will be equal to 4. Now we have to find the value of x plus y. So x plus y equal to 10 plus 4 equal to 14. So x plus y equal to 14. Now here you can see that even if we find the value of x and y from these two equations, then the value of x will be 4 and the value of y will be 10. So again x plus y will be 14. So this is the final answer: x plus y equal to 14. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.